Banshee Moon.
Hey everybody! Thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun.
What happened,
That was
Jennifer?
fun. Wow, that's so cool.
You like pressure washing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty powerful.
I'll do this business and Walker can run the spa.
Want me to get some more gas so you can have some fun later?
Yeah,
All right.
for sure.
Good job, farm girl.
Thanks. Gotta check my maters.
You forgot your wine.
See some getting ripe. Oh, there's one that's really ripe. Look at that.
Oh, beautiful. Nice. Pretty like you.
Huh?
Pretty like you.
Uh-huh. Wait. Look at all of them. That's so cool. And that one big one is getting ripe.
Oh, yeah.
Yay.
Nice garden, farm girl.
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
Pepper.
Peppers?
Yep. Oh, and that one's got a bunch of
Did you say maters? Oh, it looks like you need to
of the
water.
toe kind.
You need to water your onions.
Oh, okay.
Looks like. Yeah, they're hurting. What's this?
Oh. Compost.
It's good for plants.
Yeah, very good. Cool. We got some poblanos coming up. Lots of them.
Bear. What you doing, Bear?
Hi, Bear.
Hey, Bear. Look at that big long tail you have.
Makes me look really big and scary.
All right, signing off.
Okay.